Hi everyone, it's What's Up with Doc Nona again, but this time I'm Chefy Doc Nona. So, what are we gonna cook today? We're gonna cook some sauce. Yes, you heard it right, squash sauce. Okay, we're gonna make something out of squash sauce. You can make use of pork, chicken, or pork meat. You have to just learn how to do the squash sauce, veggie and shiitake. It's a combination of a Chinese and Filipino dish. So this is what I want to teach you guys. So if ever you are interested, watch this video. Okay? So I'm going to introduce to you the ingredients, and here it is.
Okay guys, eto na, walk with Chefy Doc Nona. Kailangan natin ng 1/4 pork. Pwedeng chicken, pwedeng beef, or pwedeng tatlo o dalawa magkahalo. And of course, shiitake mushroom. Ito, very important ito when you cook Chinese food This is very essential. And then, put in Chinese cabbage, which is also very, very important. And then, for sauteing, we shall use red onion, garlic, and tomato. And we shall be needing carrot and bagu beans. Okay? So, ang pinaka-main bida natin dito, star natin, is this squash. I made use of 1/4 squash. Okay, now we have to saute the garlic, guys. Huwag niyo susunugin ng garlic, Ayan. And then, let's put in the red onion. Yes, red onion. And then, we put in the tomato. Once na naluto na itong tomato to, malabas dyan lycopene, which is good for the heart. Now, if you eat tomato raw, it's vitamin C, guys. Anyway, here. Oh, ayan. Naglagay na tayo ng, what's this? It's a bouillon, okay? Could be a chicken or pork or beef. Either, kung anong gusto nyong preference na ilagay na bouillon dyan. And then, ganda yan, isinosute kasama ang meat. Okay, I'm not mentioning pork here. Okay, although what we use is pork. Because actually, you can use chicken and pork and beef all together, or any of those chicken and pork, or just chicken, whatever you want. Or you can even use chicken dog, hot dog, There you go. Mas malasa siya pag sinama mo yung bouillon kasama yung mga meat at saka yung mga yung vegetables na yan. So, isimmer natin hanggang sa maluto siya para mag-sip in yung taste niya. Then, after a few minutes, we put in the shiitake mushroom. Guys, this is very important, When you cook Chinese food, shiitake mushroom is really, it's always there, At saka that's very rich in protein, no? Okay. Pero alternative yan sa meat, So, yan. It's kumukulo na. Naku, ang sarap nito. My goodness, Carabao. Anyway, ayan. Ang sarap. And then, my secret. There, I place it star anise and 1 bay leaf. Guys, only 1 lang, Naku, pag sumobra, lasa ng gamot yan. Don't do that, Okay? Now, here, I place chili oil. Okay? Depende yan. Kung gusto nyo ng konting sipa o wala, pwede. Kahit wala yan, okay. Pero sa akin kasi, mas masarap siya. Hindi super anghang. Tama lang. And then you put in oyster sauce. Ang combination is 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Ayan. Sachet-sachet lang tayo. Tipid-tipid. Eto na. Banana ketchup. 2 tablespoon ang combination niyan. Okay? Hindi natin bibiglain. Magdadagdag pa tayo ng ingredients later on. And then we put in black pepper. Yes. And of course, merong kasunod dyan, 2 teaspoon of sugar. Yes, pwede nyo gamitan ng brown sugar kung gusto nyo. Kaya lang may iba lasa. Ayan, ang sarap-sarap niyan. Naku, naamoy ko na. Nagugutom na ako. Eto na. Okay, lagyan natin siya ng water. Okay, there you go. Lagay na natin yung squash. Pakukuluan natin to hanggang sa lumambot. Sagay na natin yung carrot. Yan. So guys, ang purpose nito is lulusawin natin yung squash, okay? Uulitin ko, nilulusaw natin yung squash kasi parang halos madurog-durog na siya ng sarili niya. Hindi mo siya dudurugin. Hahayaan mo lang siya madurog on its own. Kasi pag na-prepare mo na yan, nag-plating na kayo, durog na siya eh. Ang lambot, super. Ayan na. So, ito na, natikman na natin. O, magdadagdag ulit tayo ng ingredients. Same ingredients, guys. Banana ketchup, not tomato ketchup, guys, ha. Pag tomato kasi, aasim. Here, banana ketchup. 2 tablespoon again. Overall, kung sumatotal nyo yan, 4 tablespoon of banana ketchup ang mangyayari dyan. Magdadagdag tayo ng sugar. Diba? Before is 2 teaspoon. Na magdadagdag tayo another 2 teaspoon. Okay, so overall, 4 teaspoon siya. Sa ganitong preparation ha, I'm talking about ganitong preparation na 4 to 5 servings ha. Syempre, kayo dyan, you cook, you know how to taste and prepare your own kung anong panlasa nyo. So, ayan, nagdadagdag na tayo ng 2 teaspoon ulit. So, that is 4 na lahat overall. And then another pepper. Okay. Okay, pinakukuluan natin to. Ayan, sa kabilang casserole naman, maglagay tayo ng mantika. Tapos lagyan natin siya ng dash ng rock salt and water. Pakuluan natin yung bagu beans and the Chinese cabbage. Those are for garnishings actually. Soft lang kasi sila, so soft vegetables, hindi sila pwedeng malanta. And then remember, before putting in the sesame oil, huwag masobra ha, na overpower. Hindi masarap ang lasa pag super daming sesame oil. Make sure na inalis nyo na yung anise at saka yung bay leaf. Okay, I'm showing you here now. Tinanggal ko na, ayan. One tip, no, wag niyong paghahaluin yung sesame oil na nandoon yung anise at saka yung bay leaf, maiiba lasa. Remove it first before you put in the sesame oil while it's boiling, okay? Now, ito na okay na yung the vegetables, ayos na siya, may konting oil yan para makintab-kintab. That's the secret in the Chinese restaurant or whichever restaurant, kung ano man restaurant yan. Anyway, ganun lahat sa mga restaurants eh. Nakahiwalay ang gulay. And pinakukulaan na natin, malambot na yan. Okay, kusa na madudurog yung squash niyan. So, very ideal yan sa mga taong mga hirap kumain, yung mga naka-dentures. Okay, ito na tayo. Ready na.
Now, guys, we're here to show you the end result of what we just did. Squash sauce. So for now, let's say bye, everyone.
Yes, I cannot say what's wrong or right. No, it's not hard to fool me. No, 'cause I'm addicted to the good life.